So the main issue with our algae is the food source in this pond is the nitrogen and the phosphorus and all of that fun stuff. We aren't able to fully remove enough of it to eliminate the food source, so the algae thrives here in the summer. It affects the treatment of the water because we can't pull enough of the algae out of the water. So when we sample for our total suspended solids post filters, we see a lot of the residual algae is still there. We can't get it out.
We have to meet DEP specifications, and we can't when the algae is present. We can't filter out the microcystis algae. Of course, when algae dies and stuff, now we run into a pH issue. Both of those are specs we can't meet as long as we're fighting algae. Without disruptors, what we've seen in the past is we have algae mats. We have people that live close enough to where the smell is horrid. Most people don't realize when they're working because you don't see them. You don't see what they're doing. When you lose one or you lose power, then within a couple of days, you definitely know it.
Before SonicPure and before my time as well, they used different sonic disruptors as well. They seem to have pretty good success with that. With that in mind, we decided to go with SonicPure's new technology that seems to be the best choice.
So we went straight back to these guys. They developed this stuff. I have high hopes, of what it will do. So you can't ask for any more out of a company that'll give you your money back 100% against a new unit. When the last one got struck by lightning, they sent us another one. Actually, it's been a good experience, and I'll recommend it to anybody. We'll share data. That's one of the neat things about this industry is you got something that works, you can share the data. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what we got